Hi guys, welcome to Cup of Teach. This time, I'm going to teach you on how to solve problems involving properties of rectangle, rhombus, and square. Example number 1. If LOVE is a rectangle and LV is equal to 5x minus 6, OE is equal to 4x plus 8, find LV and OE. Let us label LV, which is 5x minus 6. OE, which is 4x plus 8. So, si LB at si OE are diagonals of a rectangle. Always remember, diagonals of a rectangle are congruent. Therefore, we can say now that LV is equal to OE. So, substitution, 5x minus 6 for LB, and then 4x plus 8 for OE. Then, transpose natin si 4x beside 5x because they are similar terms. Then, minus 6 beside 8 because they are similar terms. So, we will have now 5x minus 4x is equal to 8 plus 6. Palaging tandaan, pag nag-transpose ka, magpapalit siya ng sign. Minus 4x dito kasi positive 4x siya dito. Plus 6 kasi minus 6 sa taas. Then, simplify natin ang 5x minus 4x which is x. 8 plus 6, that is 14. Therefore, meron na tayong value ng x which is 14. So, pwede na tayong mag-substitute kay LB which is 5x minus 6 or pwede din kay OE which is 4x plus 8. So, pwede kayong pumili sa kanilang dalawa. So, I'm going to use yung LV. So, LV is equal to 5x minus 6. Substitution lang tayo, ang x natin ay 14. So, we will have now 5 times 14 minus 6. Then, multiply 5 and 14, that is 70. You just copy minus 6. Subtract the 2. Therefore, LB is equal to 64. Since ang LV natin at ang OE natin ay equal, therefore, the measure of OE is also equal to 64. Sample number 2. If MATH is a square, MA is equal to 7x minus 4, AT is equal to 4x plus 8, find the perimeter of MATH or yung square. So let us label MA which is 7x minus 4, AT which is 4x plus 8. Always remember, all sides of a square are congruent. So when we say congruent, the measure of all sides of a square are equal. So we can say now that MA is equal to 80. Substitution, for MA that is 7x minus 4. For 80, that is 4x plus 8. So we need to combine similar terms. So si 4x, transpose natin beside 7x because they are similar terms. Yung minus 4 beside 8 because they are similar terms. So, pag nag-transpose, automatically mag-change ng sign. So, we will have now 7x minus 4x is equal to 8 plus 4. So, minus 4x siya dito kasi positive ang 4x dito. Plus 4 dito kasi minus 4 sa taas. Then, combine natin yung 7x minus 4x. Simplify it, that is 3x. 8 plus 4, that is 12. So, para ma-solve natin si x, kailangan nating mag-divide both side by 3 to cancel out 3. So, matitira na lang sa left side ay x. And then, 12 divided by 3, that is 4. So, ang value ng x natin ay 4. So, since meron na tayong value ng x, which is 4, pwede na tayong mag-substitute sa MA or sa AT. So, kahit kanino sa kanilang dalawa, pwede nating gamitin. Substitution natin, gamitin natin muna yung MA. MA is equal to 7x minus 4. So, ang x natin ay 4 na. So, we will have now MA is equal to 7 times 4 minus 4. Then, 7 times 4, that is 28 minus 4. MA is equal to 24. So, yung length o yung measure ng MA, that is 24. Since ang perimeter ang hinahanap, perimeter ng MATH o yung square, always remember, ang perimeter ng square is equal to 4S. So, ang S dito, yung side. So, we can say now that P for the perimeter is equal to 4. Ang S natin or yung side natin is 24, which is MA. So, multiply natin itong dalawa. That is 96. And then, you have to put here or write the units. Kasi ang pinag-uusapan natin dito ay perimeter. Example number 3. If ROSE is a rhombus, the measure of angle SEO is equal to 3x plus 12, and the measure of angle REO is x plus 30. Find x and the measure of angle ERO. So, mag-label tayo. Measure of angle SEO, which is 3x plus 12 degrees, and then the measure of angle REO, which is x plus 30 degrees. So, palaging tandaan, each diagonal of a rhombus bisect a pair of opposite angles. So, yung diagonals niya, segment OE at saka si segment RS. So, since yung segment OE binisect ang angle E, therefore, magkakaroon tayo ng dalawang congruent angles dito. So, itong angle na to at yung kabilang angle, they are congruent. So, kapag sinabi natin congruent, ang measure ng kanilang angle are equal. Therefore, we can say now that measure of angle SEO is equal to the measure of angle REO. So, substitution lang tayo. 3x plus 12 for angle SEO and x plus 30 for the angle REO. Then, transpose natin si x beside 3x because they are similar terms. And then, yung 12 beside 30 because they are similar terms. So, pag nag-transpose, automatically, mag-change tayo ng sign. So, we will have now 3x minus x kasi positive si x dito is equal to 30 minus 12 kasi plus 12 dito. Then, simplify natin ang 3x minus x, that is 2x. 30 minus 12, that is 18. So, kinakailangan nating isolve si x. Therefore, we need to divide both side by 2 para makancel out natin si 2 at matira na lang si x. And then, divide natin si 18 and 2, that is 9. Therefore, the value of x is 9. So, kung meron na tayong value ng x, pwede na nating i-substitute dito sa given na angle. So, yung angle na dalawa, pwede kayong pumili kahit sino dun sa dalawa na yan o kahit alin sa kanila, pwede nating gamitin. So, gamit ako ng measure ng angle SEO which is 3x plus 12. Substitution, ang x natin ay 9. So, we will have now 3 times 9 plus 12. Multiply the 2, that is 27. Just copy plus 12. Add the 2. Therefore, the measure of angle SEO is equal to 39 degrees. So, si SEO is 39 degrees. Eh, di ba, congruent silang dalawa, itong angle na to at itong angle na to ay congruent. So, kung itong angle na to ay 39 degrees, automatically, yung kabilang angle is also 39 degrees. So, we can say now that measure of angle SEO is equal to the measure of angle REO. Therefore, si measure or yung measure ng SER, so yung isang buo na, that is 78 degrees. Kasi 39 to, 39 yung kabila. So, ang total niya ay 78 degrees. So, since ang hinahanap natin dito ay measure ng angle ERO. So, yung kabilang angle. So, kunin natin ang relationship ng dalawa. Diba si angle R at si angle E ay consecutive angles. So, kapag consecutive angles, they are supplementary. Kapag sinabi natin supplementary angles, the sum of the two angles is 180 degrees. Therefore, we can say now that measure of angle ERO, So, ito yon. And the measure of angle SER, so SER, so ito yung angle niya, is equal to 180 degrees. So, substitution lang tayo. Ang measure ng angle ERO natin is unknown. Ang measure ng angle SER natin ay 78 is equal to 180. So, kinapi lang natin yan. Then, transpose natin yung 78 beside 180 to solve yung angle or yung unknown angle. So, we will have now the measure of angle ERO is equal to 180 minus 78. Subtract natin yung dalawa. Therefore, the measure of angle ERO is equal to 102 degrees.
Thank you for watching. That's it for this video. If you learned something here, don't forget to like and subscribe to Cup of Teach. See you on the next lesson. Bye!